According to our experience, the most common image quality issues in these Minolta machines are caused by an overfilled waste toner container in the drum unit, and typically have no other underlying cause. In the waste toner container located behind the cleaning roller, mainly paper dust and residual toner accumulate. The container has a relatively small capacity and may unexpectedly become overfilled. The symptom of overfilling is a decline in print quality and the appearance of background contamination. It is very important that the electrode is perfectly clean. Please remove the drum shaft by taking off the retaining clip from the side with the smooth surface. When removing the upper cover together with the electrode, the white gear may come out. There is no need to worry. I will demonstrate later how to reinstall it correctly. This is a gear that could have been removed earlier from the side, but this is not necessary. This is the waste toner container. It should be removed, opened, and thoroughly cleaned. This module does not use a typical cleaning blade. Instead, it is equipped with a roller that cleans the surface of the drum. Please remove the cleaning roller and thoroughly vacuum the entire white interior, which is filled with used toner and paper dust. A very large amount of toner accumulates in this area. Next to it, there is a transparent light-conducting element, the discharge lamp. If it becomes contaminated, the print quality will deteriorate.